to my channel. I'm Queen, and today, you guys, I will be doing a review on 3 different Cantu products. As I always state in every video, everything that I state or anything that's said in my videos are just based off of my personal opinions and my personal experiences. So we do know that everyone has different hair textures, so everyone's outcome may be different, but I just want to share with you guys my personal experience and my thoughts on the products. So if you're interested and you want to continue to watch the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So let's just get straight into it. So the first product that I would like to talk to you guys about is the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. So the product has the avocado oil and shea butter inside of it. So, and it's sulfate free, of course. I try to stick with all sulfate free shampoos. It was actually my first time using this shampoo. I was very curious to see how it would work on my hair because it had like avocado in it, and avocado ingredients usually works really well on my hair, and so does shea butter. So I was curious to see how this would actually work. I actually purchased this at Walmart, and it was $5.97 there. You can actually find it at like CVS, Walmart, Target, and most beauty supply stores, and probably some other stores as well. But I purchased mine from Walmart, and the price for it was $5.97. What I will say is my thoughts of it were, it was pretty good. It smelled good. It was like light. It like put like a lot of suds in your hair. It was like a lot of bubbles and, you know, all of that stuff or whatever the shampoo's supposed to have. The only negative thing I can say about it was that when I wash my hair usually, like while I'm shampooing, it doesn't get tangled, and it was like kind of like tangling up a little bit. But once I rinsed it out, it was perfectly fine. So that would be what I would say about this. It didn't leave my hair like feeling like dry or anything. It was moisturized. That was like the tangling during the process of washing was the only thing that I kind of like didn't like about it. And other than that, I don't have too much to say about it. Honestly, it was pretty decent. The next product I have here is the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Rinse Out Conditioner. I know. I have the avocado hydrating shampoo, and then I have the regular like shea butter moisturizer rinse out conditioner, and I know that it's like 2 different lines with them, but I mix stuff up all the time. I know everyone doesn't do that. Some people like to just stick with the same line, but in my personal opinion, it's made by the same people, so let me just mix it up. And plus, when I went to buy this one, the conditioner wasn't available because I wanted to stick with both. But since this was available, I was like, whatever, it's made by the same company. Let's just mix it together and figure this out. So that's just me, but everyone has their own way of doing things. What I will say about this is the shampoo is amazing. I mean, not the shampoo, this is the conditioner. Sorry about that. The conditioner is amazing. It was super like, it made my hair feel really, really moist. Left my hair feeling really soft. It like detangled easy with the detangling brush when I was brushing through it. So it was like really, really amazing. What I will say is I would definitely, without a doubt, I would definitely consider buying this one again, like for sure, because it has like a lot of the ingredients in like hair products and conditioners that I like to use. And so I would just like, I would definitely use this one again. Shea butter works really good on my hair, and so I like really like this a lot. But as far as like these 2, I'm not quite sure about this one, the shampoo. I would probably use it again, like if I really needed to, but I know this conditioner, without a doubt, I would definitely use this one again because it just was a really, really good conditioner. I also will say it was my first time using both of these products. I've never used these before. This wash with this hair right here, it was actually the first time that I've used either one of these, and I would definitely say that I definitely favored the conditioner over the shampoo. Would definitely get this again. this is like, you know, I didn't have too many complaints. I just didn't like the tangling part of the hair, but yeah, but it wasn't bad. It was still decent. Now for the last product that I want to talk to you guys about is the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. Now this, okay, I've been using this product for literally a year and a half. This right here, this is like a moisturizing holy grail. I absolutely love it. I know people have their opinions on like different Cantu products, but I really love this product. What I will say about it is like it will like leave moisture in your hair for like a full week straight, and you don't even really have to keep putting it in there. It just keeps your hair like really moisturized and super conditioned, and I feel like it makes your hair grow. I really do. What I will also say about the leave-in repair cream conditioner is I like it a lot because I don't wear, like with my natural hair, I always do like, you know, like this, like an updo or a slick back bun, a slick back curly bun or something like that. And I do feel like it's really good for those type of hairstyles. If I was like actually wearing a wash and go, I probably wouldn't use it because for my hair texture, it's a little bit too heavy and it weighs it down. But when I have my hair up, or if I have it in like a curly bun, I just need moisture, and I just need everything to be slicked down, moisturized, or even like this or whatever. It's still considered like an updo, so it's fine. But if I was doing a wash and go, I would probably use something just a little bit lighter. So overall, what I will say is, I would say for the shampoo, I probably would give this one probably like a, I'm gonna say probably like a 7-8 out of 10. And then for the conditioner, I'm definitely gonna give this like a 9 out of 10. And then for this leave-in conditioner, I'm definitely going to give this another, I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10. And the only reason I'm gonna say that is I gave this a score because of the fact that it made my hair tangle during washing, and usually I don't have those issues. And then for this one, I felt like it left my hair like, you know, moisturized, soft, but I have used conditioners that have left it like a little bit softer. And then I would say for this leave-in, the only reason why I'm giving it an 8 out of 10 is because even though I love it for my updos, it would be amazing if I personally could use it for like a wash and go, or even two, it leaves like buildup in your hair, like for me. And like I said, everyone's hair is different, so it may not do that for everyone, but I know with my hair, it does leave up like buildup, and I still buy it and I still use it, so it doesn't matter. I just want to give you guys like my honest opinion about the product, and so that's what I will say. I like Cantu products. I think that they are a good, affordable option for natural hair girls. A lot of our products are super expensive. They are not cheap at all. So I do feel like they're a very affordable like option for us. So there are things that I do use, but I definitely enjoyed my experience with using the shampoo and the conditioner for the first time, because that was my first time using those, because I was curious because the leave-in conditioner works so well. So I was like, well, let me see how the shampoo and conditioner work. And those were my thoughts on it. And so I'm glad I tried it, and I would definitely be open to trying some more products. And when I get new products and I try them out, I'll definitely do another review for you guys. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. If there are any other products that you guys would like me to try out and do reviews on, please leave it down below in the comments. And thanks again for watching my video. Bye guys.